In a quarter mile, merge onto I-285 South.
Come on, Kanye!
Welcome to Crafting with Cass. I'm Cass, and welcome back to Crafting with Cass. If you're back and you're ready for another set of DIY projects. So if you're looking for DIY lemon decor ideas that look chic without the expensive price tag, in today's video I'm sharing 6 DIY lemon decor ideas that bring a fresh, high-end look to your home while staying completely budget friendly. These pieces can move and transition from any season of the year, and it's perfect for indoor dining or even outdoor entertaining spaces. So if you want to see how these pieces of decor turn out, then let's go ahead and let's get right started. And for the first piece of decor, I'm going to be starting it off with some lemon print monogram plates. And I'm going to be starting in Cricut Design Space to create the actual design. And I'm just going to be creating a simple design using some text and my initials. And then I'm going to be using my leftover scrap pieces of vinyl for me to cut out to actually adhere to the plates. And to get the size that I want the monogram letters to be, I just measured the center of the plate for the area that I wanted to use for the space. I'm using black permanent adhesive vinyl for this, so I'm just selecting the premium vinyl option. And then after that gets cut out, then I'm just using the mat to weed out all of the excess vinyl from the material. And then I'm just using some transfer tape to transfer the monogram to the center of the plates. And I usually just eyeball everything, so I'm just trying to make sure that I have it as center as I could possibly have it. And then I'm lightly putting it on there, and then after I get it where I want it, then I'm just going to smooth it out and press it to make it really adhere and stick. Then I'm following that same process for the other printed plate using different initials. For the next piece of decor, I'm going to be adding a cute popular catchphrase on a lemon print tumbler, and I'm using the same font that I used for the monogram plates, and I'm breaking up the actual word because I'm literally using scrap pieces of vinyl that I have. So in order for me to maximize all of the pieces that I have and not have to go to the store, then I have to break up the actual word. And I also decided that I wanted to make the spacing a little bit tighter. So here I am adjusting the spacing as well as adjusting the size of how big I want it to be. And I just measured the front side of the tumbler to see exactly where I was going to place everything and to see what size I wanted to make it. I did wash all of the plates and the tumbler and all of the lemon print pieces before I started to put all of the vinyl on there, just to make sure everything was clean and that it would stick really well. And so after I got the letters or the words cut, here I am just weeding out the material. For the next piece of decor, which is going to be for the lemon print tray, I'm going to be using another popular word or catchphrase, and I'm going to be using the same font in Cricut Design Space, and I just measured the space on the tray that I'm going to want to use the text for, and then I'm going to use the Cricut to cut it out and make it. after that's cut out, I'm going to weed it and adhere it to the tray. The next piece of decor is perfect if you don't have a cutting machine. I'm just using a wood cutting board from the dollar store. And then I also had these letters in my craft stash and this little wood lemon slice as well for years now. And I'm just using some hot glue to adhere some text onto the wood cutting board, and then you can use this as like a charcuterie board, or you can also use it to like put drinks on or whatever you can think of. And the next pieces of decor are going to be the lemon printed texted napkins. And so I'm just using the same phrase, make lemonade out of lemons, and I'm going to be adding this text onto the napkins from the dollar store. I've done several different versions of these types of napkins, and I'll link them in the description or somewhere in the video. And I'm going to be using the same process that I did kind of with the monogram plates, as well as all of the other text, but instead of using permanent vinyl, I'm just going to be using the iron-on vinyl. And since I'm using the iron-on vinyl, I have to make sure to mirror the image. And usually now I notice that when you select the iron-on vinyl, it'll automatically make sure that that's toggled to the right side if you haven't already done it. some shower rings in my craft stash, as well as some more of these little wooden lemon slices. So I thought that that would be a perfect combination for me to make some napkin ring holders. So I'm just adding some hot glue to the bottom of these wooden rings, and I'm just taking off that little extra sticker on the back of it, and then I'm adhering the rings to that for some simple and modern looking napkin holders. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check the description box for some of my favorites, deals, and finds. Subscribe and like to see what I'm crafting next.